stop in Orleans Square.
Pues no sé por nada. Pero a ver, vamos a ver el once.
Yo quiero ir a
Fantasyland.
Sí.
Podemos ir a Fantasyland si quieres.
Porque quiero conseguir.
Ahí hay juegos, mira.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station, New Orleans Square.
Critter Country, Orleans Square, and Galaxy's Edge. That's right, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This will be the exit for that. Please stay fully seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
Inside the train. Two people.
They're redoing it. Yeah, they're actually making it PC.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of one and only Laughing Place. If you look real hard, you just might find it. It's where the critters are celebrating a zippity-doo-dah day.
Let's go right now.
The one over door. The one Pirates was okay with. She gets stopping weather.
This place will pass again is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, enjoy Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures.
Now.
Are we doing the monorail? Or are we?
I don't know what we're doing.
It's kind of a catch-22 because it's going to be faster to get off the Main Street and walk rather than get up Tomorrowland, walk up Tomorrowland, wait for the back road. There are some people on Main Street, the train station is a hotel.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
Please make sure your little ones are seated. They should not be standing. Everyone needs to be seated, please.
No one sent me another friend request. Send me a friend request for the past 5 years. No, I haven't. Oh my gosh.
Once again, please make sure your little ones are seated. They should not be standing. They need to be seated on the bench, please. Thank you.
Oh, let them stand. If they fall off, you can make sure.
They have all the money. I'm so awful. Oh my gosh, so straight up, guys. So literally a lady left our store, definitely stole a jacket from us. 100%. Was hanging off of the back of her thing. Dropped her kid in front of the store to the point where it vibrated the floor. The kid hit its like vibrated the floor from beneath us. The kid fell apart. And I made a terrible joke because I don't have kids and I'm an awful person. And I go, oh, is that all I gotta do is get free stuff? Is just drop my kid? I was like, shit, like this jacket, right? I mean, but she dropped her kid on its head, like to the point where it might have needed to go to the hospital. But definitely stole a jacket from us at the same time. And I was like, is that all you gotta do to get free stuff? I can steal from whatever store I want. You just gotta drop kids out in front of
tunnel
me.
signals our transition from the
You throw your
frontier
kids on the floor, you get whatever you want. Nobody's gonna stop you. My manager's like, don't even say anything. She's like, that kid fell hard. And I'm like, and like, you're just a little jacket. Like, you know that. Yeah, that kid fell hard. And she's like, that vibrated the floor beneath us. And I'm like,
characters and stories.
so is that why you don't have kids to steal?
Wait until the train comes to a full stop.
I could just like go take whatever I want and just drop like drop it on the floor and I could like drop it then drop my kid.
Mickey and Minnie for you.
Right?
Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming
Oh
our
yeah, the
trip
kid
in
was
just a moment.
like I said, that kid
This is
reminded me of a
Toontown
kid.
Mickey's
But she also definitely saw me. I don't know if it was like a decoy or if it was karma.
Make sure you have all personal items with you.
That poor kid. And nobody laughed though when I said
Inside the train. Please supervise your children during the trip. Next stop, Tomorrowland
Thanks
Station.
for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imaginative. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, flying above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the
Please
outdoors.
make sure your little ones are seated. They should not be standing.
what are they trying to shove out?
No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop in the station. Please make sure you have all personal items when exiting the train. Thank you. Children during the trip. We're going to be entering the diorama. Please, no flash photography or video lighting. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again.
You can dress up as Foxworth.
This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Footstool.
He'd be the worst dog. He'd be a very bad dog.
But he's a special needs dog.
He is. He is very
Service dog.